NordVPN has been one of the biggest names in the VPN space for years, but in 2026, the question is simple. Is it still worth using, or have other VPNs caught up? In this review, we'll take a clear, real-world look at how NordVPN performs today, what it does best, and who it actually makes sense for. If you want to check the current price later, I've placed a discounted NordVPN link in the description and in the pinned comment. For now, let's focus on the VPN itself. One of the biggest reasons people still choose NordVPN in 2026 is performance. Thanks to its NordLynx protocol, NordVPN delivers very fast and stable connections even when connecting to servers far away. For streaming, gaming, or everyday browsing, speeds remain consistently strong with minimal latency. Security is where NordVPN really stands out. It uses strong encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and RAM-only servers, meaning no user data is stored long-term. On top of that, NordVPN includes threat protection, which blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites before they even load. It adds an extra layer of protection without needing separate software. NordVPN is also an excellent choice for streaming in 2026. It works reliably with major platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and BBC iPlayer with smooth playback and very few connection issues. The apps feel polished and professional across all platforms: Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, Smart TV, and even routers. Everything is easy to navigate, and both beginners and advanced users will feel comfortable using it. Of course, NordVPN isn't perfect. It allows a limited number of simultaneous connections, and it's usually more expensive than budget-focused VPNs. But in return, you get a very refined service with strong performance and advanced security features. So, is NordVPN worth it in 2026? Yes, especially if you want a VPN that delivers top-tier speed, strong security, and reliable streaming. It's one of the most complete VPN solutions available and remains a safe choice for users who want performance without compromises. And if you want to grab NordVPN at the best possible price, don't forget the discounted link is waiting in the description and in the pinned comment. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more VPN reviews, comparisons, and privacy guides.